nursery rhymes. We're gonna tell you how to do it so you can play too. Yo Mo Goose, give me a beat. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, and all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Yeah! That was awesome!
Thank you.
Now we're going to show you how to play. First, you need nursery rhymes. And then you need a beat. I just flipped over this bowl. Just a nice and steady beat to go with the rhythm.
I have 2 forks, and I'm adding a little more rhythm.
After that, you just wrap your nursery rhyme to the beat. First, I'm getting a nursery rhyme.
Which one did you get?
I got Little Miss Muffet.
Cool.
Okay, Yo Mo Goose, give me a beat. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
Woo! Got one.
Which one did you get?
It's a surprise.
Oh, really?
Wow. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's do it.
Yo Mo Goose, give me a beat. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Thank you.
Mo Goose. Yo Mo Goose. Mo Goose. Yo Mo Goose. Mo Goose. Yo Mo Goose. Mo